Are you someone that should not do a Roth conversion? You know, I've worked with a lot of people over the years and helped a lot of people do Roth conversions and figure out how much Roth conversion they should do from year to year. But not everyone should do a Roth conversion. So there are a few different situations that I see regularly where I tell people, you should not do a Roth conversion this year, or maybe not even at all. One is if you're still working and you have a very high income that's pushing you into a high tax bracket, and you can see that you're going to have a period of time where you retire and there'll be a number of years, we call those the gap years, after working until you have to start taking required minimum distributions. And it makes sense in that situation for you to wait and do Roth conversions if you're going to do them during those gap years. Another thing would be if you have a lower balance in the tax deferred as compared to all of your other assets. You know, a lot of people end up with 70, 80, 90% in the tax deferred account, so all of their income is going to be coming out taxable. But if your balance is lesser percentage, it's more balanced because you have more money in taxable accounts and real estate and other things that you've done over the years, then you may not need to do a Roth conversion. You should run the numbers and see where those required minimum distributions are going to push you at that point in time when you have to start taking them. But I've seen people where the required minimum distributions just never push them into a higher tax bracket. And so it doesn't make sense to stack that up now when it's going to still be a lower tax bracket in the future. The other situation that I often see are people that are charitably minded. I have a lot of clients that like to give to charities. And if you're going to do that, it makes sense to keep some in your in your IRA. Keep money in your IRA that you can use for qualified charitable distributions, because nobody pays the tax when you use it for that. Those are some situations where it may not make sense for you to do a Roth conversion. You've got to think through all of the issues that apply to your situation to know what is best for you.